Let's take a trip through every year. The seasons change, the sky stays clear. From sunny days to breezy nights, each one brings such sweet delights. Summer's here, it's hot and bright. Ice creams melt in the golden light. We wear our caps and cotton clothes, play by the beach where the cool wind blows. Mangoes, melons, juices cold, stories and shade, adventures bold. Sun so high and days so long, summer sings its sunny song. Pitter patter comes the rain, tapping softly on the pane. Jump in puddles, splash so high, watch the rainbow in the sky. Carry your boots and raincoat too, the frogs go croak, the grass turns new. Rivers rush and trees drink deep, while clouds above begin to weep. Winter's chill is in the air, woolly hats and coats we wear. Sip hot soup and warm our toes, watch the breath as cold wind blows. Well, snowy hills and misty skies, see your breath and blinking eyes. Sit by fires, snuggle tight, stars above shine crisp and bright.
Springtime dances, flowers bloom, bees go buzz and birds make room. Butterflies and colors wide, joy and beauty side by side. Buds are waking, trees turn green, a fresher world you've never seen. Soft winds blow and skies are clear, springtime whispers, I am here.
Seasons come and seasons go, sunshine, raindrops, chill and glow. Each one brings a gift to share, magic's floating everywhere. So pack your bags, the years are right, with seasons standing side by side. Say hello when each one comes near, they'll visit again year after year.